Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you are having a beautiful day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia, and I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious carnitas on the stovetop. They're perfect for tacos, tortas, burritos, you name it. So in case you guys want to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. First, we're going to begin by grabbing 4 pounds of pork shoulder butt roast. We're going to make sure that it is at room temperature, and we're also going to pat it dry. Okay, so now we're just going to cut into large chunks. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so once we have our pork shoulder cut into large chunks, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, we're going to grab our deep pot. We're going to set it at medium-high heat. And to that, we're going to add 1 pound of lard. And just allow that to melt. Okay, to our lard, we're going to add salt, black pepper, 5 whole cloves, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. So just mix it. Now we're going to add our pieces of pork, and we're going to allow them to brown. So we're going to do it in 2 batches. Okay, so now we're going to brown our meat for about 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to flip our pieces of meat over, and we're going to allow that side to brown for another 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to remove our pieces of meat. And we're going to repeat the same process to the rest of our meat. Okay guys, so once our meat has browned all around, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And to that, we're going to add half a cup of water, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 12 ounces of Mexican Coke. I know, weird combination, but just trust the process. We're going to squeeze the juice of 1 orange. Make sure that it is juicy. And of course, just make sure that your orange is clean because we're going to be adding the peel. Along with half of an onion, 5 garlic cloves, 4 bay leaves, fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, and fresh oregano. So we're just going to mix it. I forgot, but don't forget to add the rest of your meat. And if you don't have the fresh herbs, you can always use dry. I will leave the measurements in the description box. Okay, so now we're just going to allow our carnitas to cook for 2 hours, moving the meat around about every 15 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes, so we're just going to move our meat around, and this is just going to prevent from the meat sticking to the pot. Okay, so we're just going to allow it to continue cooking and then move it around in another 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 2 hours since our carnitas have been cooking. At this point, they are done. They should be all nice and brown all around. We're going to remove them from the lard. Just so like that, they could drain some of the oil. Squeeze them. Okay guys, so once we have our carnitas ready, we're going to allow them to sit for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can make our delicious salsa. Okay, so for our salsa, we're going to toast chile de árbol. I'm using 15, but of course it's all going to depend on how spicy you want your salsa. And we're also going to toast 5 chile moritas. And the chile moritas are less spicy than the chile de árbol. So if you only want to use a chile morita, then you can go ahead and do that. And just be careful. As soon as you see them blow up a little bit, your chiles are almost done. So just be quick. Okay, and once you smell your chiles, that means that they are done. So we're going to remove them from the heat. I'm going to get rid of the seeds. And now we're going to roast 10 tomatillos. Okay, so once the tomatillos have changed colors, we're going to add 2 garlic cloves. And we're just going to allow them to roast as well. Okay, and once our garlic cloves are ready, now we are ready to make our salsa. To a blender cup, we're going to add all of our tomatillos and garlic cloves, our chiles, salt, and a 1/4 cup of water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, and once we have our salsa, now we are ready to make our tacos. Alrighty guys, so once we have our tortillas ready, now we can get ready for the fun part. So for the carnitas, you can use a knife and just kind of chop them, but it should be very easy to come apart. Look at that, even with your fingers. Okay, grab them. And of course, if you're going to make tortas, you can do that too. But tacos, it's always the best, can never go wrong. Okay, I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Going to top it with some onion, cilantro, and we're going to top it with our delicious salsa. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious tacos de carnitas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that nothing beats homemade carnitas, especially when they're so easy to make. This is going to be the most delicious and flavorful carnitas you have ever tried. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. You can make them in tacos, salad bowls, burritos, tortas, you name it. So cheers and enjoy. The salsa, the cherry on top, so good. And then the next day you can just throw your carnitas on the pan. So good, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious carnitas on the stove top. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.